Hi, I'm Carla with Wiz-Tec Computing. Today I'll be going over some basic operations on iPOS to help you get started with your new system, or just to get a refresher on what to do. So let's get started. Today I'll be showing you how to do a split tender transaction. First, you want to add the items to your transaction as usual. Here we'll add $20 worth of regular gas, as well as 2 large coffees. Should your customer want to pay with 2 or more payment types, you can split the transaction between them. To do this, simply type in the amount your customer would like to pay through each type and then press the button for that method. So let's say your customer wanted to pay $5 in cash and the rest through debit. You would type the $5 into the keypad and then press the cash button. This will deduct the $5 from the total. As you can see, there's $20.25 remaining. To finish the transaction, you simply need to press the debit button under the Payments tab, and this will close out the rest of the transaction. As you can see, we used cash for $5 and debit for $20.25. To use more than 2 methods of payment, you would simply type in the amount for each method of payment before finishing the transaction with the last one to close out. And that's it. To see more tutorials on iPOS operations, please check out the iPOS Basics playlist on our channel. Thanks for watching.